So, my name is Haley Bomer, and I'm an account manager, which is part of the sales department, and I have been with NewTek since January of 2017.
Hi, my name is Gabriela Blanco. My nickname is Gabby, and I've been with the company for about 3.5 years, and I'm an account manager.
My name is Ben Bradley. I'm the service manager for the service department. I've been with NewTek a little over 5 years now.
They started out with gutter machines first, and that stemmed from people coming to this company that had worked for other companies in the industry, and they created their own, which is now being copied by our competitors. And then they introduced panel machines, and our SSQ2, which I call the Mac Daddy, has every option you can think of, options that our competitors don't carry, and it's just an all-around machine. Once you own it, you just keep adding to it as you grow your business.
It's great to have a portable machine that you can take on site, and it's cost savings, and it's just a well-rounded machine that can save you on time on projects.
I think the variety of what we build here, and the fact that we do portable, just creates an aspect to a customer's business that gives them control over their business instead of relying on manufacturers and trucking companies to get them their product. Now, with the products that we sell, we give them that opportunity to kind of run their business how they want to and have that freedom and agility in it. I think that's really cool.
Constantly innovating and making sure that you have good people around, and to try to just create a cohesive atmosphere, because when everybody's getting along together in the company, it's just going to flow outside.
Developing new products and kind of staying in front of the game of technology and that sort of thing, but also keeping it simple so people can easily use it yet still be technology savvy and advanced in that regard.
I think honestly, innovation and ability to go out and help customers how we can, and the quality of our equipment, and aside from that, after the purchase, we strive to support our customers as best we can with parts, service, just answering common questions that may come up. So I think that's some of the things that have set us above and beyond some of our other competitors.
Yes, it's so much nicer than the previous one. Yeah. So I do. So it is very nice, and we need rooms to put all our stuff.
Yes, it's been a long time coming for many people, but just an exciting day to be able to celebrate with everyone.